Hello, we hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. Today, my niece Sydney and I are going to show you how we installed her flagpole for her very own flagpole Christmas tree. First, you're going to dig your hole, anywhere from 28 to 36 inches. You can use an auger or post hole diggers. Okay, so this diagram is what we use for our applications. It shows a 28-inch depth, a 14-inch diameter, and a 6-inch bed of pea rock or gravel. We find this application to work great for us, and it has for the past 6 years. So once everything's prepared, you're going to want to find yourself an apprentice. I hope you can find one as good as I did. Okay, so now your apprentice has done the heaviest of all the lifting. It's now time to make a bed of gravel. Like I said, I like to make a 6-inch bed of gravel. I believe this helps well with drainage. So now we have our bed of gravel. It's now time to place our PVC sleeve up to the retaining bolt. If it's not at the proper ground height you want, add or take away gravel as needed. Now, most importantly, during any project, don't forget to have fun.
You gotta put this in your video, Kirby.
Okay, so now we have our PVC sleeve in the hole, and I have capped the top so we don't get concrete in, because now we are going to begin pouring our concrete. Okay, so I use the dry pour method. Now you can use whatever you'd like. You can pre-mix your concrete if you'd like. I've just found this to work good for our many years of applications, and we've never had one come out of the ground yet. So there you have it.
There's a spider.
Now that we've leveled all sides, we wait for the concrete to dry. For tomorrow, we are going to have an awesome flagpole Christmas tree. So once the concrete is leveled, I'll then remove the flagpole, replace the cap, clean any excess concrete that got on my flagpole, and well, my apprentice takes care of the rest. We hope you enjoyed this. But most importantly, we hope you enjoy our product and have a Merry Christmas. And from everyone here at Jadico, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas.